how to know who viewed your featured collection on Facebook. So if you want to know who viewed your featured collection on Facebook, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Facebook application. Go with your profile, which is on the top left. Now scroll down and then you will find your featured collections right here. You need to tap on the featured collection and then go with the viewers, which is on the bottom left. You will have a certain number view or view count below. In my case, I don't have any viewers yet. But if you have any viewers, you will have all of the viewers right here. And you will also have name of the person who viewed your collection or who liked or reacted to your collection. If your account is public, there are some viewers who are not your friends and have yet viewed your featured photo. They will be updated on the bottom left of your screen where you will have others, and then you will have the view count. In this way, you'll be able to know who viewed your featured collection on your Facebook, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.